equestrian friends, it's me, Lisa, the Budget Equestrian. Welcome back to today's video. It is December 5th, which means it's time to open another window in our Effol Equestrian Advent Calendar. Now, if this is the first day that you've watched me actually open any of the doors or windows, whatever you want to call them, in this Advent Calendar, let me just start by saying I got this Advent Calendar from Riding Warehouse. They don't have them anymore, but if you do a Google search, you should be able to find one still available. I would highly recommend this for either yourself or your favorite equestrian because this thing is awesome. And I've never seen an equestrian related Advent calendar. Sure, there's sock ones and cookie ones and of course chocolate ones, but one with all equestrian products. This is by far the best thing I have bought in a very, very long time. So let me stop talking and let's get to day number 5 of the Advent Calendar window. Where's day number 5? Day number 5. Nope, 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 nope. Oh, day number 5. Front and center. Okay. Don't know. I don't think I'm getting any better at this. I think you push in that corner. Yes. And that's what opens the little window. Ooh, this is something big. Holy cow. How'd they fit that in there? That's big. All right, so day number 5 is Rider's Shower Gel. That's pretty cool. Something for me again. I love it. The Effol Rider Shower Gel is mild. It's a pH skin neutral shower gel with an exclusive fragrance. The 5.5 pH value corresponds to the natural, slightly acidic pH value of the skin and protects us against drying out and damaging environmental influences. The shower gel strengthens the skin's natural function as a protective barrier, even in the case of frequent showering after riding and grooming. That's pretty cool. Do you ever go to smell something and then you get like a big bubble and then it goes up your nose? So let's try not to make that happen. It smells really nice. It's kind of light, but very clean smelling. So now I have some Rider's shower gel for myself. Very, very awesome. All right, so far we have the hoof ointment from day number 1. The hair regrowth serum, day number 2, the Rider's hand cream, day number 3, which is awesome by the way. Day number 4 was the no snap plating bands, and day number 5 is the Rider's shower gel. It just keeps getting better and better. I'm so excited for day number 6, so hopefully you are too. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, and then you will be alerted when I'm going to have a new video through December 24th, because then we will have opened all of the windows on the Effol Equestrian Advent Calendar. So be sure to subscribe so you don't miss an unboxing opening of the windows for the Advent Calendar. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.